Hi guys, now another part of the other video, or how we can turn off the other water from inside of the house for the plumbing, for the sprinklers. Okay, so look, that's the street water come from the street. That's the other meter, water meter goes there. That's the other double check valve for, that's the other, has to have the buildings, they screen the other water, and that continues this way, and this lead goes to inside the building. That's the other feed line. Okay, that's where it's come from. The main line again comes here, and voila, that's the other tap for sprinklers right there, which is that's the other double check valve, and there is a two blue handle or yellow handle, depends the other who's the manufacturer. That's the other ball valve for the other turn off the other water for main, and this is another turn off water for whole house and the sprinklers. This white one is just turn off to the house water, and this is controls the other sprinklers. Now we're going to turn it off. If you can turn it off to just one, or make the other better safe for two of them. All right, now is water is off. Okay, again, how are you gonna locate it to your sprinklers tap? You have to find out where is the other your water meter come from the street, and you have to follow to the pipe. The pipe comes here. That's the other double check valve for the other for house or building, and goes this way, goes vertical. Here we go. That's two separation. They tap it from the main. That goes the other sprinklers. That goes the other for household. Okay, if you turn off this, you're gonna cut off the other water for the other house. If you're gonna turn off this blue handles, which is this way, which is turn it off now, you're going to turn off the other water for sprinklers. Sprinklers goes from here, take a look, right, boom, outside. Okay, that's very important. You have to winterize your system first. You have to turn off the other water from the other basement or crawl space or from the boiler room. That's the other main issue. Don't make a mistake. Don't turn off the other main, because you're gonna cut off the other water for their house. That's it. You have to find out if they don't have the other double check valve. Okay, so let's say about it. They don't have this device here. You're gonna follow the main again, same thing, and then if you see tap, then you have to follow where it goes. Then you follow. Here we go. That goes the other outside. You can go outside. You can find out it leads to manifold, sprinkler manifold, or it goes to the spring. I mean the valve for the other regular the water hose. But usually the outside of the regular hose, the spigots for half inch, that's the other 3/4 inch, basically 90%, 95% or 100% is for the sprinklers, because you don't need the other 3/4 copper pipe for the hose line. Okay, that's all guys, and this is the other how you can notify it and locate it your sprinkler turn off.